At trial exhibits, we know that you have points to make and concepts to communicate, but that you may not be completely sure of the best way to go about it. When planning your presentation, it may not be what to show, but how to show it that ends up being the problem. The view that you use when displaying anatomy is vitally important, and often the solution is to utilize multiple views to accomplish a unified understanding of the issues. In this case, we began with an exterior view of the heart and aorta, so that the layman could understand where these organs are within the body. Regretfully, the issues in this case involve the aortic valve, which is on the inside of the aorta. So after we had established our overall orientation, we had to make the organs transparent so that the viewer could appreciate the location of the valve and see the previously placed synthetic implant. This transparent view allowed us to show how the guide wire was advanced up through the aorta to the valve, but a different view was necessary to clearly show how the wire and catheter passed through the synthetic valve. Utilizing this inset view showing the valve from above, you can better appreciate the opening of the valve leaflets and how the new surgical procedure occurs within this space. Both views shown together provide a clear understanding of how the new valve is inserted into the old valve, like slipping a finger into a wedding ring. In that fashion, the complex deployment of the new valve directly inside the old valve was made clear and easy to understand. In addition to custom solutions, Trial Exhibits also offers over 5,000 stock medical illustrations and animations. Check out our gallery at trialex.com.